In this video, I will show you how to connect to hidden Wi-Fi network on iPhone. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to easily connect to a hidden Wi-Fi using your iPhone. First of all, go to your iPhone settings app and tap on Wi-Fi. And by default, here you will find the list of all Wi-Fi networks. From here you will be able to join any of them by putting the Wi-Fi password. And now if a Wi-Fi network is a hidden network, then you won't find the Wi-Fi name in this list. In that case, to join to the hidden Wi-Fi network, you have to tap on this other option. And then in this name box, you have to write the hidden Wi-Fi network name accurately. So for example, I'm typing here test. And then in this password box, you have to type the hidden Wi-Fi network password and tap on security. And from here, you will be able to select any different security for the network. And then all you have to need, just tap on join. And that's how if you enter the hidden Wi-Fi network name correctly and password correctly at date, then just tap on join and you will be able to easily connect to the hidden Wi-Fi network. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.